how to log in into ANZ Online Banking, which is Australia and New Zealand Online Banking. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open any of your web browser. I have opened Safari here, then search for ANZ Bank Login. Here we go. Now tap on the first link that says Login ANZ Internet Banking. Now you'll come to the main homepage of the website. Now over here you have to enter your customer registration number and your password. Let's enter my number here. Okay, now I'm entering my password. Now after you have entered your password, simply tap on Login. Now in case you have forgotten your details, you can see the option below which says Forgot Login Details. Now you have to simply tap on it. Wait for the page to load. Now you'll come across this page. Make sure that you remember your customer registration number. If you don't remember, you can simply tap on No, I don't. Then you can see the option of Next. Let's tap on it. Now over here you can see your ANZ card number and PIN and your registered mobile number. So in order to recover that, you would need to follow these steps. You have to enter your card number and your card PIN, then you can simply tap on Next. Now in case if you are new here and have not registered yet, you can simply see the option of Register in blue. Let's tap on it. Now over here you have to enter your customer registration number and your telecode that has been provided to you. So after that, simply tap on Next and then you can simply register your ANZ, which is Australia and New Zealand banking account. So that was all for today, and thanks for staying with us till the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.